Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Jamaica took top podium at the North American Cup circuit in Whistler, Canada, as the four-man bobsleigh team of Shane Pitter, Andre Dakers, Junior Harris, and former national 100-meter champion Taekwondo Tracy raced to gold on Monday. The quartet put together a combined time of 1 minute 45.88 seconds to take the gold medal. They finished ahead of Canada, who clocked 1 minute 46.19 seconds for second.
It was good. I mean, the pilot did everything we're supposed to do. I mean, in everything we do, we can make it better, and that is what we seek to do. So, for right now, we just take this as another learning part of the process to just get better and do more going forward.
I just want to say, without these guys, I wouldn't be at first place. We wouldn't be at first place. So I'm really happy, and it was more of a focus thing for me. So I just try to focus on my line as best as possible, and that's when I actually get the goal.
Jamaica's performance follows on the heels of the historic bronze medal won on Sunday.